Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about Metro by T-Mobile and wow, a $50 a month plan for 100 gigs of data. That's a really good deal, guys. There's not many, if any, really other providers that are even offering something like this. I mean, I know that AT&T, you could get a real unlimited hotspot plan, but you know, you had to do kind of some sketchy stuff, or it was offered a long time ago, and then people are just reselling the plans on eBay or something like that, or some other, you know, other company will go ahead and purchase rights for it or something like that. But this is a legit way. Metro by T-Mobile, like I said, they're offering 100 gigs for an additional $50 a month. Wow. So let's get into it, guys. This is by bestmvno.com. Check them out, guys. Very good website. It gives you lots of information and all that good stuff. So it says Metro by T-Mobile once again doubles data on $50 hotspot plans to 100 gigabytes. Good Lord. So it says Metro by T-Mobile has doubled the amount of data included with its $50 hotspot plan. It now includes 100 gigs of data at up to 5G data speed. So you can get 5G data speed. So if you have 5G in your area, you can get something like this. It says previously you can only get 50 gigs for $50. So that was $1 a gig basically. Which is pretty good. I mean, I'm gonna say it's pretty cheap rate. So it says, you know, this is Metro's $75 plan with $75 of hotspot data has been discontinued, at least for the moment. So, like I said, wow, they're really selling that for $1 a gig, really. So for $75, you would get 75 gigs. For $50, you get 50 gigs. So it's almost like you're getting half off, you know. It says Wave 7 Research noted that changes in its prepaid report the firm recently sent out to its subscribers. It says Metro by T-Mobile has frequently changed the allotment of data included with this $50 hotspot plan. It was first announced to have 100 gigs around December of 2022 or 2020, sorry. Then it disappeared. So it says in around October of 21, it was advertised again to have 100 gigs, but then later disappeared. Ooh. So does that mean this one will disappear? Who knows? And then just 3 weeks ago, Metro by T-Mobile's official Facebook page told someone the 100 gig $50 offer was expired, and the current offer at the time was $50 for 50, and again 75 for 75. Wow. So it looks like they did have it, but then it expired, so now it went back. This is according to Wave 7 Research. The hotspot plans appear to have reset again to 100 gigs for $50 in the latter half of April, with the 75 plan once again no longer being an option. So it looks like they're bringing this plan limited time. I mean, because, they don't want to offer it to everybody, and then boom, it gets away. So since Metro by T-Mobile has not been advertising the latest changes with its hotspot offering, Metro by T-Mobile hotspot plan offerings are now as follows. So 30 for 10 gigs, 40 for 30, or 50 for 100 gigs. Really good plan. Wow, really good plan. It is not clear why Metro by T-Mobile keeps frequently changing the allotment of data. Like I said, maybe they're just doing promotional times. With a $50 plan, like I said, I mean, it is a really good plan, guys. For 100 gigs, you're getting 50 gigs. Crazy. It says when it's priced at $50 for 50 gigs, it's not competitive at all with Cricket's wireless hotspot offerings. It says AT&T owned Cricket Wireless offers 2 hotspot plans. There's a $55 monthly plan with 100 gigs of data and a $35 plan with 20 gigs of data. It says both of Cricket's data-only hotspot plans can also be used in Canada and Mexico, including 5G access in the US. So, wow. So, yeah, guys, AT&T really, or should I say Cricket, which is, of course, owned by AT&T, really has amazing deal. $55 and you get 100 gigs. Well, Metro's saying we can change that to $50 and give you 100 gigs. 100 gigs is a lot. Of course, not going to win anybody over. That's home. It's not going to replace home internet, but on the go, 100 gigs is a lot. So really cool. It says here's just some notes. It says I think Metro by T-Mobile can do this in part due to the huge volume of mid-band capacity that has been added to the network in the last couple of years. Pretty cool, guys. So let me know in the comments below what you think. I think this is a really good deal. I mean, I would get something like this, honestly. So yeah. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think. Like I said, this is a great promotional price. And, it really doesn't talk about the hotspot, but it does talk about the plan. So check it out, guys.